1950s daw. Lula ko pa yun. Wala pa ako niyan. Lalabs, Chewy on the floor. Hala, may ganun-ganun ba yun? Ay, matanda. Kaya pala, kala ko may galing-giling kasi sa amin lang yun ang ganun-ganun. Nalayo mo na pala dati. 1960s attire. Ay, ganun-ganun pa rin yung mga sayaw dati. Alam ko na. Wala ko yan eh. 1960s. Wala ka pa nun. Tapos mahaba dito. Ganun pala.
Healthy natin.
Ay! Ganyan pala yung mga baile nila dati. Ngayon ko na nalaman may ganun pala na baile. Ay! Ay! Malalaman!
Kabebe pa si Lola eh. Kabebe si Lola.
Okay, thank you so much, candidates number 1 for the 1960s attire. And now, let's go to our candidates number 2. Kaya na ano siya?
Wow.
90 70s attire. Nakita ko yan yung mga gray-gray na yan. Mga chika-chika, 1960s attire and 70s. Ayan. Yung pakumiti, may ganun-ganun. Ayan. Wow, congratulations, candidate number 2. Thanks so much. And then it's my banana. Candidates number 3. Wala pa ang music.
She could be great. She could be a major star. She is a singer.
Yan yung mga amin mga tay, 1990s. Mga Kikay girls. Kikay, Julia, Margaret. That's number 3, and now let's move on to our candidates. Number 4. Number 4. Kikay din yan. 1990s yung mga ganyan. Yung mga kikay-kikay. Headband nila ako sa yung headband. Naranasan ko yan. Lalabs MG candidates number 4. Okay, thank you so much, candidates number 4. And now let's move on to our candidates number 5. Okay, let's go to our candidates number 5. Viewing 1980s attire. Ganyan sila mga Madam Madonna. Si Madam Madonna. Madonna. Ganyan-ganyan. Kasama tayo ni Melda Marcos. Thank you so much, candidates number 5. And now let's move on to our candidates. Number 6, Lalabs Vanessa. Ito yung nagsamba kami, 1990s yan. May kayo sa mga kikay-kikay. Mga samba tayo namin yan. Lalabs Vanessa on the floor. Okay, thank you so much, candidates number 6. Wearing the 1990s hair. And now let's call on our candidates number 7. Oh, din. Kulay na color. 1970s yan. Yeah, tapos nagpunta siya 1990s. Yung mga kikay. Una-una tayo is 90s, 70s yan. Kasi wala pa yung headband. Nauso yung headband is 1990. Oh. Okay, thank you so much, Lalas Luna. Candidates number. Now let's move on our candidates number 1960s, ginaganyan yung buhok. Ganyan yung mga buhok nila. And then naging 1970s. Yung ano ko, ganyan lang yan. Candidates number 8, thank you so much. And now let's move on to candidates number 9. Lalabs Bunisero. 1980s yan. 1980s pa. Tapos naging 1990s. Kasi yung checkered na yan, nauso sa 1980s. Then we have ay, din yung din yan. Kaya na 1990s na pa eh. Mag-level up. Sa likod. Thank you so much, candidates number 9. So now let's witness our 9 lovely candidates for the 1960s, 1970s, 1980s, 1990s attire.